Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm just going to be showing you this no makeup look. It's going to be using very minimal products, lots of blending, and very little coverage. Like you can see, you can still see some of my imperfections. This no makeup look is good when you just want to look a little put together, but you don't want to look like you beat your face if you're not going anywhere fancy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I've already did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see how I did this, I'll leave like a little card so you guys can watch my eyebrow tutorial. But the first thing you want to do is moisturize your skin before you start this look, because you don't want your skin to look dry under your makeup. I always use this Eucerin skin calming lotion, especially because it's winter and my skin gets patchy and I usually get eczema flare-ups. So this is good for keeping my skin moisturized. Now what I'm going to do is take my damp beauty blender and blend out this concealer that I use to clean up my eyebrows. And the most important thing while doing this no makeup or no makeup beat look or no makeup look is blending. Like I'm gonna spend a lot of time blending everything out to give it a skin finish so nobody will be able to tell I have anything on my face. I'm also really excited because it's my birthday tomorrow. I'm gonna be 21 and I'm happy. Birthdays are always fun. I also know that your 21st birthday is usually always hype. Like it's not as lit or as exciting as people make it out to be, but I don't know. Just be able to say that I'm 21, like that's gonna be really fun. So now that I blended all of that out, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Pure BB Cream. Now if you want to go with more of a natural look, I recommend you guys use BB creams over foundations that are more full coverage, because BB creams, they'll kind of just give your skin a glow with little coverage, so it'll still make your face look natural. And I'm not going to put a lot of product on the beauty blender. I'm going to put about this much, probably take a little bit of that off. And I'm just gonna blend it into my skin. Blend it all the way into my skin. Like I'm gonna spend a lot of time making sure it looks as natural as possible. It's okay for this look to leave you like still showing like certain dark spots or blemishes, because you just want to look fresh faced. You don't want to look like you took a lot of time to cover all of your imperfections. It's okay if a little bit of them are still showing. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going to take my Fit Me powder in 355 coconut, and I'm going to use that to set the outer corners of my face. Not too much setting, but just enough to where it keeps the BB cream in place. And I'm not going to be covering any of these dark spots because you don't want nobody to see that you're wearing anything. Now for under my eyes, I am going to take some concealer, but I'm only going to use a little bit of it. I'm not gonna like highlight under my eyes or try to cover my dark circles too much, but I'll take a teeny bit. I'll draw like a little triangle just to brighten it up without covering too much of what's already there. And I dropped it. Oh well. And I blend this really well because you want it to look like it's your natural skin. You don't want it to look like you have a lot of concealer under your eyes. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder and I'm gonna take a little bit of that and lightly set where I put that concealer. And instead of letting it bake and wiping it away, I'm just gonna dab it until it's all blended out. One of my neighbor's dogs is not happy, you guys. This dog has been barking. I hope you can't hear it, but this dog has been barking for like 30 minutes. I cannot believe I'm gonna be 21 tomorrow. I'm sorry, I just had like an epiphany. Like, time really goes by super quick, so you just have to enjoy the time you have, because I literally feel like yesterday I was like a little girl. Now for a little bit of extra shine, I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow because that's just gonna kill the whole no makeup thing, but I am gonna like brighten up some parts of my face. This is a Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm gonna go on with this little gold color right here. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of it on my pinky and just brighten up some parts of my face. And I'm gonna blend it out so it doesn't look like a highlight. It's just gonna look like it's like a natural shimmer. Now on my lips, this is kind of like, it looks very red in the package, but I promise it's not gonna come off that way. It's more of like a lip gloss slash like shimmer. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that on it just to give my lips like a rosier look. Like, I'm not gonna cover the whole thing or make it super pigmented. I just wanna add some color to my lip. Oop, we got powder. I just wanna add some color to my lips to give my look a fresh finish. And I'm gonna put the littlest amount of this black Radiance lip gloss on the top. And now my face is finished. I like this. This is usually the look I'll do like when I'm going to work and stuff, because my job doesn't really entail me to have to like beat my face every morning. But this is just like a fresh, like no makeup look. It doesn't look like I have a lot of stuff on my face, but I still look put together. I love doing this every single day. I'll never usually set my face with a setting spray when I do it like this, because I feel like the mixture of the Fit Me powder and the Shine Free Loose powder prevents me from having to do that, because this usually stays on my face all day. I never have problems with creasing or sliding or anything weird like that. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Join, welcome, get on the bandwagon, you know. I'll be giving you guys new videos every single day. Every day you'll get something new from me. And if you like this video, give it a like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be my birthday. I will be posting on my birthday. I'm not going to take any breaks. And I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm 21.